Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have another unboxing from BellaArtdeNicole. I am really excited to get into this one because it is some trays, a Bella tool, and some multi-placers, I believe. I can't really remember, but I'm really excited to get into this because the trays are their upgraded kind that I haven't tried before. So I'm really excited. The last time I bought trays from them was their previous version, and so I'm really excited to try out their newer version. Let's get into it. This did come packaged in a box. I opened up the box, took out what was inside, set it down, and I am so ready to open it up. Okay, yes, multi-placers, Bella tool, and the trays. I believe, judging by the shape of these are 3 divider trays, which are my favorite. So I wanted to try them in their new style. This one is silky sea green, and this one is metallic gold. They have different colors each week in their shop, so you never know what they're gonna have. So if you see a color that you like, you're gonna want to get it before it runs out. I got this one a while ago. Now I want to open this one first because it has their card. So this is their card. Turn over. Sorry for bumping camera. Has a nice little QR code. Jamie and Nicole. This is one of my favorite companies, you guys, and you probably noticed that because you have seen so many videos that I make from them, but what can I say? I love them. This is so cute. Okay, so now I do know that with this version of their trays, they started printing their logo on the lid because some people were having trouble figuring out which direction the lid went, and so that is how one of the things that they designed to help. So this is a 3 divider tray. It has it has 2 dividers in it, which can make up to 3 separate sections. You can have 2 sections. You can take them all out and have 1 section, which is what I usually like to do the best. So previously, well, let me see if I can find one for you. I have one right here. Like I said, these are my favorite trays. So their previous version, they had this pour spout on the side. In this version, they have the pour spout right down the middle, and it has a stopper. Cool. I'm excited to try that out. Is there a trick to it? I don't know, but that's not going back in there very well. There we go. So cool. Very cool. You know what's extra special about this one? Ta-da! It has my name on it! How cool is that? Yeah, I love that. Let's look at the other one. Usually I don't just rip into things like this, but I'm just so excited I can't stand it. Now, for me personally, I would rather not have the logo on there because it's rough. I like the smoothness of being able to do what I do with my stuff. I don't know. I like it smooth, but they do still stack and everything, so that's cool. That's cool. This is a really pretty color. 3 divider tray. Stopper. Okay, I really want to test this out a little bit. So, oh look, it's another one. This is one of their older ones too. So let's put some drills in there and test it out. One of the things I really like about the silk trays that they have, which is kind of just a more silky, slick type of material. I like that the diamonds flow around a little bit better in that. I also know I don't have another 3 divider. I'm curious to test it out, but it looks like these are a little bit slimmer than on the previous ones. So let's try this out. Now, if you're smart, you'll put the lid on. There are grooves in there, so you want to make sure that you get them in the grooves. Now, previously, I didn't often use the lid because you couldn't close it all the way and diamonds would spill out anyways, and I just felt it was easier if I saw. But now that these close all the way, I can definitely see myself using the lid a lot more often. This is a silk too. I think that's rose gold is the name of that color. Anyways, I unboxed that on a previous video. If you guys are interested in checking that out, please go ahead and search through my videos. I do have a playlist for BellaArtdeNicole because, well, I have so many other products. With the 3 divider trays, sometimes the lid gets stuck on these dividers, so you just got to make sure that it's pushed down all the way. Very cool. You know, my name is Bethany, so the B on here, I'm okay with that. That doesn't bother me at all. All right, let's check these out. I have been wanting to get one of these for a long time. This is a Bella tool, and basically it is a diamond painting pin. Oh, look, it has a built-in magnet, so you can use it. Whoa, that's one of the strongest magnets I've seen. Now, I have a lot of their cover minders, so I know that they use strong magnets, but man, that really packed a punch there. Anyways, this has a built-in magnet, so you can use it as a cover minder, which is really kind of nice when you're diamond painting. You can just set it down. I mean, how often do we have our pins? And I mean, for me, my pin will roll off my table, or it'll get lost beside me, or what have you. So this is kind of nice. You can set it down. So this has each of these spots holds a tip. So you can do single tips, multi-placers, and you just kind of scroll it around and you use it. How cool is this? I really, really like this. The only thing for me is this is kind of rough, so I feel like it might it offers a good grip, but I wonder if it is going to kind of irritate my fingers after a while. If it does, I might pour a little bit of resin on here just to smooth it out. But we'll see. I got to try it out. I mean, I've never used it before, but I'm really excited about it. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm just ripping into my stuff. And like I said, I usually don't do that, but I'm just so excited. Yeah, I have 2 multi-placers here. Of course, I have a lot more. I buy their multi-placers often because they're 3D printed. They break pretty easily, so I go through them, but they're worth it. I love them. So yeah, you just stick the multi-placers in there. Put your wax in. Diamond paint. Blunk, blunk. You can switch really easily. You know, if you have a single placer and a multi-placer on your tips on your pin, you have to flip them around. But this, you don't really have to take that. I mean, not that it's a lot of extra effort, but I think that this is very efficient. And it's actually pretty comfortable. You can hold it in several different ways. Like, I can picture myself diamond painting holding it like this. I can picture myself diamond painting holding it like this, or like this. There's a few different ways you can grip it. So that's really, love it. Thanks, Jamie and Nicole. You guys do a wonderful job with your products, and I definitely appreciate it. So that's what I have to show you guys today. If you're interested in checking some of these products out, check out www.BellaArtdeNicole.com and see what they have. Like I said, different colors each week, and things get to you pretty fast. They're great company, and I can't say enough good things about them. And in a couple of days, I get to meet them in person. I'm so excited. Anyways, that's all for today. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.